welcome to my channel. And on this beautiful morning here, we do something special that we don't do very often on this channel. I am on a road trip. It is a shorter road trip, only a couple hours to drive, 2-3 hours, and I am going to Nevada, to the Wendover Airfield, to do some videoing there. And if you're interested, I can show that as well. So what car did I take? Is it the best road trip car I have? No, it's not. It's my Mustang, my Shelby GT350. And while it's not the best road trip car, it's for sure one of the funnest cars I have. And I never took it on a long trip, so I thought, why not? Before the winter comes, before the bad weather comes, why not take it out and go on a road trip and see how it goes? And so far, everything is great. I mean, I'm comfortable, I have enough room for my luggage. I have my navigation set. I don't have any helpers or anything keep me in the lane. That's all me, but that's fine, you know. I don't have anyone to shift. That's all me too. Well, that's fine as well. Gas mileage is exceptional well now, 27 miles per gallon, but I have to be honest, I got gas and then went right on the freeway after the gas station, and I'm driving between 65 and 75 due to traffic, and there you see it, speed limits. So I'll take it easy, you know. You don't want to go on a road trip and then get pulled over and have a whole bunch of stress. No, that's not what I want. So I take it easy and I enjoy my day. Sadly, we've had pretty bad weather. It rained pretty hard, and you know, I always keep this car garage, never in the wet, never outside when it's cold. So it will take a little beating here with the weather, but it's not made of chocolate, so it's made to drive, and that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm driving my nice car and I'm enjoying to take it on a road trip. What will we do now? I'll report from every single stop from the road trip. We'll go through the numbers of the car. I'll show you where I have lunch. I'll show you where I stay overnight, and also, of course, I'll go do a short trip tour of the destination so you can see what it looks like over there. I'm sure many of you know what the Wendover Airfield is and what happened there. So there is Wendover in Utah and there's West Wendover in Nevada, and it's basically like one town split a half. Not really, but kinda, you know. That's you look it up on the map, and there has been plans from Nevada to buy the Utah part as well to make it one big city, so they could put gambling on both sides, I guess. That didn't go through. And also, an interesting side note, Nevada is on the Pacific time zone, but Wendover is not. That's an exception. It is on the Mountain time zone, just like Utah. So the trip will be pretty boring. We'll go through the desert, passing the Salt Lake, the Great Salt Lake, and then the Bonneville Salt Flats. Maybe I'll stop there as well. I think I'll do that tomorrow though, and that would be great too for you guys to see the Bonneville Salt Flats. Of course, when you have a nice car and you drive on there, you have your car is all messed up full of salt, you know. And there's, by the way, Salt Lake City back there, and far ahead. Now you can't see it anymore. I could see the towers for a second, because now we're turning west of Salt Lake City, go past the airport, and we go towards Reno, Nevada, and straight through the desert. One of the most boring highways we have here in Utah. It's just sand and salt and white and flat. So I'll film a little bit on the way, and the next stop will be when I have lunch. As promised, this is the first stop for lunch, and I see a truck there. Look at that trailer with that is Chevy SSR on it. It's kind of a weird pickup, sporty pickup type, prototype type looking vehicle, let's say, in the retro design. All right, everything went well so far. Yeah, there's not much to report. I have my dash cam here in case there's a dumb driver on the road. My temperature here cylinder head is 205, inlet air temp 72. It's 63 outside now. It heated up. It was at 50 this morning. Engine temperature at 185, which is not very hot. Transmission temp 106. And yeah, we don't have to scroll through everything here. Just seeing that everything is all right. Let's see at the gas mileage, 26.5 so far, and yeah, that's pretty cool. That's pretty good average there. I still have over an hour to go. I would say not 2 hours, 1.5 hours to go. And now there's a guy playing with a drone out there. See that? Interesting. Anyways, we just passed the parts of the Great Salt Lake. We'll see more of the Salt Lake later, and I'll make a couple interesting stops on the way too. I'll go get some lunch, and then we'll keep going. Then the boring part of the road comes with the desert, and there's absolutely nothing out there. All right, hang in there. It's gonna be good. This is the more boring part that I was talking about. We're here driving through the desert here, and there's absolutely nothing here. I'm cruising really fine here with 75 miles an hour. I could go faster. Speed limit is 80, but I'm just taking it easy, and so nobody is bugging me like all the big trucks. Look at that, how muddy that thing is. All the big work trucks here that he's not, but a lot of times they go really fast. Some of my trucks too. Everything is good. The car temperatures are good. The engine runs fine. Looks like we're getting into some weather back there. From what I can see, I do not have my radar app open, so I can't really check it now. But it shouldn't be too severe. So I always hope that it's not, because I don't want to have some hail damage or something on my vehicle, because the weather can change pretty quick here in this area. And temperature wise, we're at 61 degrees. I think at a destination it should be around 61 as well. Okay, enjoy the ride, and when I get at my destination I'll show you around and we'll talk about that follows. Hang in there. Thanks for watching again. Guys, now this what we see on the right side here is called the Tree of Life, and also called the Tree of Utah, and it was built by a Swedish artist, an artist from Sweden. I don't know the details about it, and I read that there's no parking lot or any possibility to stop by it, so we'll just cruise by and film it while we do so. And now we got some rain here. In Wendover, close to the airfield, and it is yeah, it is different here. Let's see, I have to find the museum. Let's see where that is. Is it here or not? Yeah, it looks like it's right here. Look at that, pretty cool. Let's go here. Yeah, I think I found it. Okay, here's the Wendover Airfield and Museum. I'm gonna pick me a nice spot here all by myself. I think we'll park right here. I'll back up and park right here. So this is my first stop, the museum here in the Airfield in Wendover. We are here in Utah still. There's Wendover, Utah, just not too far away, a couple of minutes. Is West Wendover, Nevada, and that's where all the casino. I think I'm parking a little crooked, but that's okay, nobody's around here. That's where all the casinos are. So yeah, let's see, how did we make? The car did well, like I said. The gas mileage is now at 23.8. Let's check it all. My numbers are good here. Engine temp and everything is, yeah, almost like it was before. Tires are good. Everything is great. So I had a good ride. It was fun. I will now go visit the museum here and the Airfield, see what they have out here. And if you guys are interested, have a full tour on this, please visit my other channel, Enthusiast Walking Tours, and I will put the link at the end of the video, and I will put it in the description as well, so then you guys can look at this museum as well and make a tour with me. Do that. And as for the road trip here, I will come back after the museum and we'll go see where I stay overnight in a casino here in Wendover, and I'll show you guys that as well before we close for the night. And then tomorrow we'll go back home where I live, and I'll have some other stops on the road there too, so that will be interesting. So all right, hang out here, wait for me to be done with the museum. Okay, and here is my place for the night, the Montego Bay Casino Hotel, and this is the cheapest room that they had, and it's pretty roomy. It's a little dated here, the fridge is a little loud, but yeah, I can't complain, you know, can't complain. Bathroom is pretty roomy too. So the Wendover Airfield went well. It was a lot of walking. I suggest that you watch my video on my other channel, so you'll see there's a lot of walking. It's almost like a ghost town there. It was interesting though. There was also an airplane from the movie Con Air that's rotting away there, and that I could go inside. So don't miss out. Watch the other movie, and watch the other video on the other channel. All right. Yeah, I think I'll call it a night for today. Tomorrow morning I'll check out Wendover a little bit more, and then early in the morning I'll head home, and on my way home I have a couple stops, so I'll take you along there as well. So for now, thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day, and please watch the next video so you'll see my way back home. Thanks for watching.